So to cancel YouTube TV free trial subscription, you want to go to your top right of your screen on your home page, and then you want to click right here on your profile picture, and then you want to click on settings. On the settings, at the membership, at the base plan, you want to click on manage. And here at the pause or cancel, on the cancel and access to the base plan, you want to click on cancel. And here you can just choose and click on any reason for your cancellation. It doesn't matter. And then look at the bottom right of your screen and then click right here on continue canceling. And then on the screen on review and cancel, this date is the last date you can use your YouTube TV free trial. And again, you can go to the bottom right of your screen and then click right here on yes cancel. So even after canceling the subscription, if you still have days or weeks left from the first time you sign up for YouTube TV free trial, you can still use YouTube TV membership up until it expired. So for example, if you sign up for 30 days free trial and cancel the free trial in your 4th days, you can still use YouTube TV membership up until another 26 days. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to cancel YouTube TV free trial. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.